Hi folks, we have here the unboxing of the Pride Zero Turn 8. Again, this is the unboxing of the Pride Zero Turn 8. So when you get your scooter, it's going to be on a pallet like this, just the way it is. So the first thing you would do is cut these straps off if they're not already broken. Sometimes they're already broken. Cut the straps off. You'll just need a good blade and just do the outside like this. And then just do the top, and then you're done with the blade. Then open the box up. So when you first open the box, and when you open your box, first thing you'll pull out is your owner's manual, and your keys are right here with your owner's manual for your scooter. So we're going to put that over here, and then you'll just pull out this foam right here. It just sits on top. It does nothing but protect everything. Then on this side, there's also a charger. Here's your charger. And here's a box with something in it. And then you have your arms. You'll be able to see the arms here. You can pull the arms out of this foam. And you'll have your seat post, which is wrapped, and your two arms for your scooter. So we're going to put that over here. Now, what you'll do is you'll pull this foam out that had all the stuff inside of it. And now you'll have the basket, as you can see in here. And you will also have the battery pack, which is pretty heavy, right there. And now you have in here the tiller. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you an easy way to get this scooter out. Instead of trying to lift the whole scooter up, what you should do is cut your box like this. And like this, and now you can see what we have in here. So now what you'll do, this is called the tiller. See, it won't move up, it's stuck there. You have to go here, at the bottom, there's a little handle right here. If you turn the handle counterclockwise, you see how it goes up, then I'm going to retighten it. I'm going to take this off since we're already here. And now you'll take this foam out. You'll take this foam out. And as you can see right here, you have the seat that's not that heavy right here. So we're going to put the seat over here with all the other parts. We have left here this. And now you've got some foam under the scooter to hold the scooter from shifting, which is good. It keeps it protected in shipping. So what I usually do from here is grab the scooter right here front, raise it up like this, and then in the back there's a handle on the back of your scooter, and I raise the rear up and roll it out this way, roll it out of the plastic, and now we've got the scooter up. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take a couple minutes to clear all the foam out of here, and we'll show you how to put these parts together. All right, folks, we're back here with the scooter. These are all the parts you should have with your scooter. You should have your seat, your battery pack, your basket, your seat post, your charger. These are the colors that are going to go on the scooter. We'll show you how to install those colors on there. These are white or pearl white, and you have two arms, and you have an owner's manual with keys in here. So the first thing I will do from here is open the owner's manual, and I'm going to get the keys out. I'm going to get the keys out. I'm just going to put them in here. Well, right now you have a tag you have to pull off the top here to put the key in. This little tab right here needs to be pulled off, and then you can put your key in here like this. And I'm going to pull one pin out. And the next thing you should do, and we're going to put the manual inside the basket. So the first thing you should do is your seat post. Your seat post has two holes, okay? So you have two settings. You can go this high or this high. So I'm just going to use the second hole, and your pin goes right over here like this, okay? So we're going to get rid of these pins here. We're going to put them over there. The next thing you would do, would be easier to do, would be to put the battery pack in. So when you put the battery pack, you just bring it in like this, and it just sits there like that, okay? Before we do anything else, let's go ahead and put the colors on. Let me show you how to put the colors on. All right, you can see there's a little Velcro back here in the tab. So this, I'm assuming this one will go here, and you just snap it together, okay? There's the other front one here, and you just put it in. That is not a front one. This would be the front one here. Nope, that is not a front one. Here it is right here. Put it in here. Make sure you snap the Velcro good. And then you've got the one here for the front. The little tab goes in here, and then you just snap it on. And then you've got you've got these two sides here. You got one here, and you've got one here. And you've got the backs. This one here. So now we've got the colors installed on the scooter. All right, so now we've got the colors. This is a beautiful color too. I love this pearl white or whatever white that is. Now when you get the scooter out of the box, you see how the wheel is locked, it won't turn? You have to go to the front of the scooter right here. There's a little lever with my hand is turn it, and now it unlocks the wheel, okay? The next thing we will do, we will put the basket on. The basket just slides on and snaps on, okay? So it shouldn't be any harder than this. This is your owner's manual. Your charger goes here. The next thing I will do is I will put the seat on the scooter. So bring the seat like this so you can see your post, and then flip it this way, and it should be locked. And this is just a protection on the back of the seat. We don't need that. We don't need this box anymore. So the only thing left now is your arms. So when you put your arms on, a couple tricks. So this would be this side. The arm will not go in until you unscrew the lever here, okay? So when you unscrew it enough, it'll slide in all of a sudden. There we go. And then use the lever and tighten it up. You have a couple pins in your, inside your manual you can put over here if you need them. I don't ever use them, but they're there. You'll put the other arm here. And as I said, these arms are adjustable. You can leave them out. Another thing too, when you get this scooter out of the box, you notice how the scooter rolls. Before you turn the key on, you're going to want to hit these two levers here, down and down. That's your two motors. So the scooter is locked. And then what you will do, you will turn your key on, and if everything is set up right, all the lights are on, and you can see the scooter moving forward and backward. And the last thing you'll have to do is straighten out the light so it faces towards the ground, your LED light. This is where your knob was to lock the front wheel. You only lock it when you transport the scooter. So folks, hopefully this was able to help you. This was the unboxing of the ZT8 scooter from Pride Mobility. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.